Oldham Ramblers footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last week. When? Tuesday the 31st of October 2023. Where? Working on footpaths FP31, FP32 and FP34 FAILSWORTH off Holt Lane Failsworth. Nearest postcode M35 9NH. What? Wrecked, strimmed, cleared, cut back trees and litter picked on footpaths FP31, FP32, FP34 FAILSWORTH. FP31 FAILSWORTH off Glenside Gardens was completely obstructed by vegetation and is now cleared for walking. Footpath signposts have been requested to be installed at the start of footpath 31 FAILSWORTH off Holt Lane Failsworth, nearest postcode M35 9NH, and FP32 FAILSWORTH off Leicester Road Failsworth, nearest postcode M35 OQY. Litter picking photographed and reported to Oldham Council. Who? 9 volunteers out this week. Ken, Paul, Mike, Keith, Tony, Kevin, Neil, Bob and George, a new volunteer.
A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching.
Keep walking.